I'm gonna show you like how do I mark up my chart. As you guys can see, like we are on 1 hour, and I'm gonna take this thing. I'm gonna mark up this high, this high, this high, this low, say like this low, take this low as well. So yeah, here we are, and nothing much is happening in here. Let me mark up this high too, like point. Yeah, here I'm not interested like in this small zone right here. This like not trade zone for me, and unless price come on like come above in here, like I will take a buy, something like this. Something like this. Yeah, from here I will take a buy from this point right here. Yeah. We should from here first target, second target, third, and this gonna be the last target. But at this moment we're gonna leave it like this, and this is like my no trade zone, which my stop loss gonna be like underneath the no trade zone. But I don't know, like this what I would be happy to take a trade like from this point. We should to the upside, like which is like gold. Next pair, Nasdaq. What do we get? Like we are going to the downside, like clearly. I'm gonna mark up like this low. Yes, that's it. And this here, yes, this point. Yeah, I'm gonna mark up like this place, like and see like the candles are getting weaker, so I don't know like if it's gonna come and break above like my golden line. Like if it does, like I will take a trade to the upside, and we're gonna target this high right here. That's the highest, which gonna be like this first target, and let's say second target. That's what I'll be interested taking. It's now 1:50, 10 minutes before New York session's gonna begin. So yeah, next pair US 30 naked chart. I'm gonna mark up this high, let's say this point, and I'm gonna mark up like this low, let's say this point, and I'm gonna mark up this point too. I'm gonna mark up this point as well. It's like let's say from here. I mean, yeah, not very interested because like I don't see, I'm not interested. But yeah, BTC, what do we got from BTC? Let's mark up like this low. Let's mark up this. I'm gonna say this point. Yeah, let's mark up that. And I'm gonna mark up this point. Yeah. We're clearly shooting to the downside. What I'm gonna be interested is that if price come below this line right here, and this is how it's gonna be like, that's what I want to see. Price come below like my this golden line, like we saw to the downside to this point. I mean, yeah, next pair USD JPY, we believe this a lot. And what do we got? I'm gonna mark up this high, and I'm gonna mark up let's say this point, let's say from here, and I'm gonna mark up that line. I mean, yeah, we're making low, 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 and we are doing like high, high, lower high, and we make a high again, and we went low. I'm like, I don't see something that is convincing. Price is like struggling to this point right here, which is like, let's say this zone right here. So break below that, it's not worth it for me. Like, it's not that much. Not interested. And yesterday, this is where we were. Like yesterday, like we are waiting for retest to this point. Like it does come and like reject this point right here, but like I was not like on my, I was in the toilet taking shit. So yeah, we miss out on this entry, but then I was like looking for a pullback to this point so that like I can take it to the upside. But I mean at this point it's kind of consolidated in here. So like New York says I'm gonna start in like 5 minutes. I don't know like what price gonna do there. But we're gonna see. Next pair USD CAD. I'm gonna mark up like this high. I'm gonna mark up this, and I'm gonna mark up this low. And yeah, price is on like correction like to this point, and I'm gonna wait until it goes deeper, maybe to this point. Like we start coming to the upside to making high, high, and high low. I don't know like how this kind is gonna but it's bullish though. Yeah, don't start yet, but like this what I'm gonna be interested of seeing. Next pair USD CHF, they very look alike. USD CHF and look very very look alike. But yeah, I'm gonna mark up this high and I'm gonna mark up this low. Let's say we take it from here and this high. Let's mark it up and price is on correction, something like this. I wanna say it's still far from my zone, but still. Next pair GBP USD. GBP USD. I'm gonna mark up this high, say this point, and I'm gonna mark up this low. Mm, mm, Let's say from here. Okay, the correction is correcting, and this is what I want to see. A rejection from this point. There is aim for this movement, and I want to see this movement repeat back again. I want to see like price reject this one. That could be a very good trade. But yeah, this is how my chart is looking, and this is how I will be marking my chart. Goal again, not ready yet. Nasdaq, not ready yet. Still has to break this to the upside. US 30, not interested. BTC, not ready yet. Has to break this one, we shoot to the downside. USD JPY, not interested. USD CAD, we have to come back again to shoot to the upside. USD CHF, not interested. GBP USD, it has to reject from this level, we shoot to the downside. I mean, yeah,